Hey guys, here's a video of a locking mechanism I've made up for these double gates. We have a swinging bar here which allows it to open up like that, go in there, locks in nice and secure. So what I did on the basic frame here, so I put a top piece there which stops the bar from coming up any further, locks it in, and then a bottom piece of timber there to lock the bottom one in. I used long screws, a lot of long screws, to lock that on there, and then I put an outer piece on there which just ties it all in together to give it some more strength, and it also gives lateral strength this way. If you try to push it that way, it's giving it some strength, which is the same as what this one does, but of course you can't have it all the way up because it needs to swing out. So once again we have a top piece here, so this one could have been the same length, but I made this one first, and then when I got to here decided that's how I was going to have it, so if I was going to do it again, yeah, make it as symmetrical, I would have made this one the same, these two the same length, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, same thing. This becomes a spacer and a stop, and then here, coming on here, is the outer one, and I've used some 4-inch screws. They're going right through a lot of them, so it's quite solid, a lot stronger than the strongest, like sort of steel sort of locking mechanism I've seen at Home Depot. And then I've just got a thing there at the bottom that's just temporary. I'm going to make a longer one of these and put a couple of saddles on there, and put a little hose clamp on there in the middle between the two saddles so it can't come all the way out. So there you go, eh? All right, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If you do like it, give it the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, eh? Let me know what you think of the video. I like comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is Kev. Bye.